how's it going? So today we're going to be doing the part 3 of the business series. So if you haven't seen the first 2 videos I did on how you can get your business started and what you need to get your business started, I'm going to be putting the links in the description bar below for you to catch up on those. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can create a domain for your business and for your website. So your domain name is basically your brand's identity. It's basically that name that has a .com or .co.uk in front of it, and you use it for your website. So I'm going to be taking you through the very simple and easy steps in doing this, and we're going to be using godaddy.com. Well, there are some other websites that you can use like 123reg and etc. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you how you can do this with godaddy.com. So if you want to learn how to do this, let's just go right into it. I also wanted to point out that in creating a domain, it comes as a first come first serve basis. So if the name that you intend to use has already been taken by someone else, unfortunately you will not be able to use that. But there are some domains that you actually can purchase from the owner of the domain. So maybe the domain is sort of available, then you can pay GoDaddy to actually purchase the domain for you, or you can just choose a different name. So let's go now into godaddy.com. The first thing you want to do is go to godaddy.com, and then it's going to take you up to the website, and this is what the website looks like. So now you're just going to click on find your perfect domain. So this is where you enter the domain that you want to use. So if your domain is available, you'll find out here. So I'm just going to be typing in some random name for the sake of this video. I'm just going to be typing in Abby Whitey or YouTube or something like that .com, and then we're going to see if that is available. So luckily abbywhitey.com is actually available, and you can add that to your cart if you want, or you can go down and see if you can use the .co.uk option, .uk, .net. The .co.uk is actually one of the cheapest ones, so that goes for 1 cent or 1p. That goes for 1p, or you can use the .com, which is 99p. For this video, I'm just gonna go ahead with the .com, and I'm gonna add that to cart. So once that is in your cart, if you want more domains, so maybe you want to get multiple domains, then you can go ahead and click that at the top. Just repeat the process and find the domain that you want to use. But without that, let's just continue to cart and purchase our domain. So here on the screen, it asks you to purchase a privacy and protection plan. I'd advise that you purchase one just in case. So in case, anyone wants to steal your domain and wants to, it's basically for the protection of your domain. So you can purchase the full domain privacy and protection or ultimate, or you can go ahead and not do any, but it's advisable to protect your domain. So I'm going to go with the full domain privacy and protection, which goes for $5.99 per year, which is not a very bad price, to be honest. And then you can go ahead, if you want to start a website, if you want to build a website with GoDaddy, click on start your website for free, so you get a free trial of creating a website for yourself. And then they have the create an email address that matches your domain. So if you want to create an email address for your domain, maybe for your business or something like that, for example, if you want to use like a info@businessname.com, then you can click on that, so you can purchase the email essentials, email plus, business premium, or you can wait and do it on a different platform if you want to. So for the sake of this video, I'm not going to be purchasing the email address. So we're going to continue to cart, and this is where you purchase or you check out. So your .com domain is actually registered for 2 years. So for 2 years, you're going to be paying £17.13, which is not a bad price. You can increase the years if you want to keep it for 10 years. So if you want it to run for 10 years, then that's going to cost you more, obviously. Or 1 year, which is going to cost you $10.99. But we're going to be doing the 2 years option because of the discount that comes with it. And you have your full domain privacy and protection, which is £11.98. And then your website builder, which is free for 1 month. You can remove it if you want, if you don't want it. So I'm just going to remove it because I'm not building a website with this. So your subtotal is £28.81, which is actually a very good price. If you use the .co.uk option, it's actually way cheaper than that. And now we're just going to click on checkout. It's going to take you to this page where you enter your billing information, etc. And then you can click on complete purchase to purchase your plan. So there you have it, guys. Your domain have now been successfully registered and set up, and now we can go ahead and create a Shopify website or a Wix store or whatever platform you're going to be using for your business. I'm going to be showing you how to create a Shopify store or create your own Shopify website in my next video. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on that, and remember to turn on the notification button to know when this video drops, because you don't want to miss out on it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or any comments to give at all, please make sure that you comment in the comment section below, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.